Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Let's go for a quick drive in this 2023 Volvo XC40 B5 Plus. Super hot outside today, that's why I got the AC cranked up all the way, as you can probably tell. Yeah, it's 247 horsepower with a 2-liter 4-cylinder. It's actually my first time driving the XC40. I never actually drove one of these, so let's see how it is. You got a full digital gauge cluster over there. Typical Volvo interior, nothing too surprising in here. Apple CarPlay over there. Rear view camera, parking sensors. You have heated steering wheel and heated seats, but you do not have ventilated seats. This has the crystal gear shifter, so it's probably pretty. This is also a bright theme. You have a panoramic sunroof over there. Nice seats, wood trim. Looks pretty classy. Weird, there's a lot of glare on the gauge cluster, as you can see right now. This car is actually pretty quick. It's pretty peppy. I mean, it's a pretty small SUV. And it's a turbocharged 4-cylinder, so not surprised, but yeah, I mean, transmission responds pretty well too. Not bad at all. Seats are comfortable. And you have like a map view in the center of the gauge cluster, which is cool. I think this gauge cluster it's like a little newer than you find in some other Volvo products. I like this car. It's nice. You know, I mean, it's a luxury SUV. It's not meant to be like fast or anything, but like this car definitely has enough pep to get you to around town pretty quickly. And like if you want to overtake someone, it responds quickly. Look at that. I like it a lot. You have a blind spot alert on the mirror. It's like there's a little line over there. I'm gonna get more videos on Volvo products as well. I think I have a few videos on the XC90. I want to get a video on the S90, S60, things like that. Alright, let's conclude this video with a quick walk around of this XC40 B5 Plus. finished in this interesting green color. It's like a cactus or something. Looks pretty unique. I like the Thor's Hammer daytime running lights. This is a pretty good looking small SUV. All-wheel drive. Cargo mat. Pretty spacious trunk for a small SUV. And anyways, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching Drew Drives, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.